Chris, this was a company that for several years, up until 2022, was everybody's darling. It was a hot stock and a hot company. 2022, it was anything but it has come back, as we just mentioned, 60% so far this year. Can it keep it up?
I don't know if it can keep it up. We do have a buy. We have a $265 price target on it. We think AI is the catalyst here. The primarily natural language transformer models for AI, aka ChatGPT. We think ChatGPT started an arms race here. The power of it, the likability from users, and all of this is generally powered by GPUs and primarily NVIDIA GPUs. So we are on the precipice of something very, very important here.
And Chris, we're seeing, for instance, Goldman hiking its price target to, I think, 275, trying to catch up today. It had it neutral, goes to outperform. What do you think the long-term earnings power is now?
Well, Jensen's talked about just AI, for example, being 300 billion of hardware sales and another 300 billion of software sales. So if you apply that, we're probably talking about hundreds of dollars of earnings, at least for NVIDIA. So I think the answer to that question is really very open-ended.
Chris, let me ask you a little bit different question. It can't be going better for NVIDIA, and it really can't be going worse for Intel. I mean, let's not forget they just cut their dividend this week, and there's talk about whether NVIDIA should replace Intel in the Dow. As we lay out this scenario and the cash that's going to be pouring into NVIDIA, what does a company like Intel do? What do they do?
Intel has some major problems, Kelly. Pat was put in a very difficult spot. They've continued with their own internal manufacturing instead of moving to TSM, and they're lagging. And if you are not on the precipice, on the very edge of Moore's Law, then you have a real problem in the digital space. And so Intel has a very big problem in the digital space. Even NVIDIA has moved to TSM and leading edge because they understand the importance of that and the power that it brings their products. So I guess the point here is things are going well for NVIDIA. This is the architecture of the future, and things are not going so well for Intel. It is the process technology of the past.
Steve, why don't you react to what Chris just said there specifically about NVIDIA? And is everything flowing NVIDIA's direction? Right. Are they going to be the Intel of the next generation?
Well, and that was the big question that kind of went unanswered on the call last night. So the CFO was talking a lot about Tyler, about, we expect to see acceleration in our data center business, implying that it's going to be related to all this AI stuff. They just didn't really say when and what and to what degree. So this $300 million or $1 billion rather, that Chris was talking about, when does that come to fruition? They don't even know, but they do see an acceleration there, at least happening this year, and how long that momentum can continue is the big question that went unanswered yesterday. So we'll have to see if this energy around AI keeps up, and then if NVIDIA capitalizes on it. But yes, they are embarrassing Intel a little bit as far as the chip makers go.
Chris, thank you very much. Steve Kovac, always good to have you with us. We appreciate it.